So now I'm feeling a little tipsy. I'm totally sober, but actually it's just 7 shows. Legally, just trying to hold woozy. This is a tune I wrote with my friend Jimbo. That yeah, I was playing in a cave in Tennessee once. The guys from Old Crow Medicine Show were listening to a sound check and they said, "Hey, you sound like Marty Robbins." And I thought, who's Marty Robbins? And when I checked out Marty Robbins, I was like, oh, depends on the song. But this song definitely brings out the Marty Robbins thing. In this ballroom I stand, all alone, never thinking it could end up days. Not an hour ago, I thought I found her, sweet dark angel of the night. Take me home. We had a good thing going on, so it seemed. I really thought I found the girl of my dreams. I'm so tired of standing here all alone, sweet darling of the night. Take me home. I'm gonna burn this Honky Tonk, this damn old bar, or at least make her think I'd go that far. I'm so tired of standing here all alone, sweet dark angel of the night. Take me home.
Ha ha!